Welcome back. As every Wednesday, we have Autonation Irvine Toyota, and we've got Steve Smith here, who is the manager of the service department. He's got some great stuff to share with us. Welcome.
Well, good morning. Good to be back.
Yeah, it's good to have you here. So I understand that there are residents in our community who've actually seen you here on TV, and they have come to you guys, and they have sent you letters and thank you notes. Tell me about that.
They have. In fact, one of the guests was just in the other day. Her name is Annette, and she runs the committee that does the activities for the store. And so she was in, and we spent some time in my office and had a wonderful conversation. She told me not to be so nervous while I'm up here. So today I'm going to try to not be as nervous as I have been in the past and just talk about the things we need to get done.
Well, and you guys have a lot of things to get done. And as you said to me beforehand, most importantly is safety.
Absolutely. That's our number one priority there. So make sure that every vehicle there gets a multi-point inspection. Every vehicle there, when it leaves there, is safe. The customer can feel safe. A lot of the letters that we're seeing the customers come in with that they don't know that is coming from Toyota is a safety recall. Okay. And so we can go through that letter with them and tell them if it applies to their vehicle. We can actually get that done for them. We kind of set up a Wednesday the last time we were here.
Right.
We set up a Wednesday day for the Laguna Woods. And in that Wednesday, we set up an alignment special for $89.99, as well as buy three, get one free.
Right.
So we will continue to do that for our Laguna Woods guests. We also would recommend them to bring their safety recall letter with them so we can look at it, because sometimes even when the recall is completed, the manufacturer will still continue to send them that letter, and when it says on there that the vehicle could be involved in a crash situation or whatever, people panic.
Okay.
We just need to put them at ease and let them know it has either been done or we'll do it at the time.
So that's coming straight from the manufacturer, though,
Straight from
right?
the manufacturer. That comes directly from Toyota Motor Division.
Okay, and I know that you guys talked last time that we generally just kind of throw those things away. How can they distinguish the difference between just a regular sales type letter and that letter? On
that particular letter, it will have two red stripes on it on the top, and it'll say urgent attention. And so that's how they know. And so when you get something from sales, it's not necessarily like that, but when you get it from TMS and it says that, that's when you really should pay attention to it. If it says go visit your dealer, absolutely bring it in. Or once again, we put the number up there. They can call directly in. We can pull their history up and we can look at it and see if that campaign has been completed and take that peace of mind and just make sure they're okay with it.
So you brought this letter here, and is that what you're talking about?
I brought a sample of what basically the letter looks like. The header on that letter usually will have two red.
Hard to see, but okay, so it have red on the top.
Yeah, red on top, and then so basically the customer, when they receive that, then if they want to make that call, you know, before they take the drive down.
Okay.
And then they can do that.
Okay, perfect. All right, good. Now let's talk about possibly if somebody was interested in coming to the facility and, you know, maybe talking to you directly, and maybe you can give a tour. What if they just want to know what the service department's all about?
I would absolutely welcome that, and I would love to take them for a tour through the service department. Want to make sure that they wear the right shoes. Don't be wearing your high heels, but wear the right shoes, because, you know, techs are out there working. But if any of the guys would love, or even the women would love to come down, because we're going to hold a clinic soon, and we're going to show everybody where the spare tire is, where the jack, where the stuff is in case there is an issue or something. We just don't do that kind of things anymore, right? So. You know, if they do get stranded in a situation, at least they'll know. And, you know, I'm sure that every one of them have AAA. We are a huge AAA dealer. So we offer the AAA discount all the time, and we welcome the AAA members. So, but we're going to hold a clinic, and then anytime that any of them want to come down during the day, if they got nothing to do, they can stop by my office. I'd love to give them the 5-minute tour of the shop, show them the techs. Any questions they have on their vehicles, go over it with them. Just spend some time with them.
Well, and you guys can have some coffee and chit-chat.
We have some coffee. Saturday we have donuts. So Saturday Donut Day.
All right. Well, Saturday Donut Day, and check out the service department. So let's just reiterate the Wednesdays again, because I want to make sure everybody knows that is Laguna Woods Village Resident Day at Irvine Toyota, and you can call 949-585-6888 for either one of those promotions?
Absolutely.
Is that going to just go on for the month of May, or?
You know, we're going to open this up, and Laguna Woods will have Wednesday. They're going to be our
Forever.
Wednesday customer,
Okay.
and it will be strictly for them. We will
Okay.
have time slots for them. They just call that number, and we'll get them in and get them out.
That sounds great. All right. Well,
All
thank
right?
you so much. Always
also
a pleasure.
with a free shuttle.
Oh, that's right. Don't forget the free shuttle.
Forget the free shuttle.
All right. Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And remember, if you have any questions, you can always call 949-585-6888. We'll be right back.